So we go Huaka'i to Hawaii Island, one of my favorite songs titled Hi'ilave. Little fun and flirtatious. Because, you know, without those kind of fun and flirtatious things, a story that was meant to be kept a secret, but you know, you live in Hawaii, it's coconut wireless, so hello. Taking you to Waipio, song titled Hi'ilave. And maybe, just maybe, oh, okay. We have a dear, dear friend and auntie. Some of you may know her and see her all the time, but here's Auntie Sylvia. Yeah, Hi'ilave. So good to see you. It's been too long, yeah? Where have I been, yeah? We know you've been everywhere. Most times at Kanikapila Grill. But we're here today. Well. Kumaka. Chumaka kai kana o himoe. Kapalo hipai hao hao kele. Kumaka. Chumakakai kanaya hilale Iga papalo himae oba ukele Pakele mai au kanui manu Hauvala me puni mai pio Pakele mai au I kanui manu Hauvala me puni mai pio Aole no vau eloa amai Aheu he vai au no te tuahini Aole no vau eloa amai Aheu he vai au no te tuahini Hiva hiva oe na kambakua Ahele aina ke kupuna Those oe still powerful, yeah? Hiva hiva oe na kambakua Ahele aina ke kupuna No puna ke alai hale ia mai Anoho I ka vai lele o waterfall No puna ke alai hale ia mai No I ka vai lele o Hi'ilave Haina ia mai Amaka puana tu Makakai kena o Hi'ilave Haina ia mai Amaka puana tu Makakai kena o Hi'ilave O Hi'ilave O Hi'ilave O Hi'ilave Auntie Sylvia, mahalo, love you. Yeah. Still get them, yeah?